Hi, I'm Sheldon DePaiva, and today I'd like to talk to you about vSphere with Tanzu. But before I do, let me talk to you a little bit about VCF with Tanzu. Now, VCF with Tanzu is a completely automated infrastructure stack for the hybrid cloud, and it consists of vSphere for compute virtualization, for NSX for network virtualization, and vSAN for storage virtualization or core hyperconverged infrastructure. VCF with Tanzu also integrates containers and Kubernetes as first-class citizens within the solution. It provides Tanzu Kubernetes Grid service so that developers can consume infrastructure that they want to in the way they want to through Kubernetes APIs, but IT administrators can administer the infrastructure through vCenter, essentially use the same platform for VMs as well as containers, leverage the same tools that they already have and know, such as vCenter, as well as a lot of the same skill sets that they already have. Now, VCF with Tanzu automates the entire stack in terms of configuration and deployment, and that's why we say that VCF with Tanzu is the best way to run Kubernetes at scale. Now, a lot of the customers that we have think VCF with Tanzu is a great solution, but there are many that are not quite ready for the full stack yet, or they've made existing investments in other components that they want to leverage. And so, we're also introducing vSphere with Tanzu. Now, vSphere with Tanzu is very similar to VCF with Tanzu. The key difference is that while you're getting vSphere with containers and Kubernetes integrated as first-class citizens for networking, as well as for storage, you get to bring your own. So vSphere with Tanzu is drop-in Kubernetes infrastructure into your environment, and you can get started in about an hour. That's why for vSphere with Tanzu, we say that it's the fastest way to get started with Kubernetes. Now, there are over 70 million workloads running on vSphere today. And whether you want to modernize some of those workloads or deploy new modern applications, vSphere with Tanzu is the fastest way that you can get started with Kubernetes in the enterprise.